at the other eye right there. It's like it's leaning over and is looking at me or us or whatever. I think it was a mirror because I'm the one that is telling, I see you, I see the hand. I yell at them, whatever that is, and look, it looks like a nose. Check this out. It looks like a big ass nose. And then he has this hand, look, this hand, it ends in a claw. Look, boom, the claw right there. Look at the hand, bang, boom. The other finger, bang, boom. The other finger, bang, boom. I mean, this is a total freaking trip, man. And then look, faded. There is another face right there, big face. Look, there's the eye right there. And there's the other eye, boom. Make sure I got the right one. Here it is. Oh, what is the damn freaking thing? Here it is. See, but it's all made the same way the knife picture was made, like that, with it repeats and up and down, side to side. Check it out when I take the writing off. Look at that. The picture was a lot more, it's just that I brighten out to see the, I mean, look at this dramatic deal. I was driving, that's why I just took the camera out and took a picture. Boom, not the camera, the cell phone. And I snapped several. Look, that's another one, even more. Oh, this one, they showed me a big rainbow. I mean, I couldn't believe it. That freaking rainbow is the baddest ass rainbow I've ever seen in my life. And then if you look at the bottom cloud, it's a hand extended like that. Let me show you with my own hand, because this is, I mean, doing the drawing takes forever. Right here is a hand like this, extended like this. Look at the finger right there, boom, and there's the thumb, and there's the deal, like that. And then you see the same thing here, like the hands right here. And they repeat, look how they intersect here in the middle. Boom, 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 and so the intersection forms those eyes. They're not really eyes. It's only the lines intersect and they form perfectly the eyes. So meant to know that kind of geometry is something that we just can't even dream of. Look, there's a little hand right here, like this, right here. There, look, the same thing. And there's a little hand right here that is like this, tiny. Well, not tiny, it's big compared to me or us. But it's, look, it's all the way up. Look, it repeats like that. And then it goes like that, and like this. I mean, it's just every which way. And then you see it's a gigantic finger. Boom. And I see the same thing from space, from the space station. It's exactly the same thing. I mean, that cannot be just a, I mean, one time, two times, pareidolia, but shit, thousands of times, no. Look at that. The same exact thing. How can that be? Look, the same thing. I mean, it got more and more dramatic. Look at that. It was raining super hard. This is on my way to Shreveport. That's about 2.5 hours from Alexandria, Louisiana. And Shreveport, Louisiana is 2.5 hours to the north. I was going to visit a friend. And look at oh my goodness, I mean, I felt so much happiness. It was unbelievable. It's like I was going for vacation to the beach and, you know, have fun and shit. In reality, I was just going to visit a friend that needed a hand. Look, it forms a hand too. The same deal with the song underneath. I mean, this is just, but you don't hear nobody, no investigator are wasting their time on any of this. They just, oh, look at what is Mars. Look at what the fucking Mars, man. Look in your own freaking planet, man. That's Murray. Now, second-hand picture like this, recording over another picture, is not gonna show exactly the detail that you see in the original picture. They start losing integrity, the image. Look at that. And then that's the clearest one, right there. Look at that. It looks like a huge face. But it's not. It is and it's not. It's like saying, oh, yeah, you know shit, huh? Well, let me show you. Boom. And look at the perfect geometry, deal. Boom, boom, boom. 90 degrees corners. Really? And there's a face here like, "Argh," but it's not. In the end, that's none of that is the real look. Another fingers here on the side. Look at that. You see a huge pair of eyes with vertical pupil. This one. This one not so much, but it is. Look how perfect the corners. So you tell me what kind of freaking wing can create that kind of shit. Even the bottom cloud that has a hand, look, it has a pair of eyes looking deal. Look, right there. It looks like a pair of reptile eyes. The frugal look. Well, look at that shit. This is like the severe look, but it's not. None of that is true. It's just structures. Look at the center one. It's a cube. It's a rectangular cube. Look at that. And it looks like a dude too. A smaller face. A smaller face that gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And then on top, more eyes, pairs of eyes. But it's not, those are structures. So my deduction is that this is an electromagnetic organic structure that they shift the shape as they please. I guess it's a program running that shit. Some kind of computer program, an organic computer. Look, that's the dude, the dude looking down. Look, the gigantic ass dude. Like that it would be. Look at that. Oh, the one with the rainbow, I gotta make it like this too, but it's a video. I made a mistake by moving the phone sideways and shit to capture more. I should have left it the way it was and just scan it around. Oh, look at this one. This one is just amazing, man. Like I say, it looks like a dude looking down, some kind of reptilian looking dude with a severe look. Look at that. You tiny little insect. I'm gonna squash you, you fuck with me. Nah, it ain't like that. We make our own problems. We really are a failed experiment. This planet is a laboratory, and we are an experiment, a long-running experiment, and they have wiped out several editions. The first one, those huge reptilians that were petrified, man. That there's no doubt, those were dudes, no doubt. The mud fossils, look for that shit. Wise Up is the dude that had done the best research on that shit. Wise Up YouTube channel. That dude is really, that's the dude on that one, on the petrified monsters. You can see their fingers, their faces, their reptilian scales on the skin. Something super severe. Whoever controlled this shit did a number on them, petrify them in place. Boom! Well, that's a hell of a freaking weapon. Petrify a whole crowd around the entire planet. That's fucked up, man. That's some power. You don't fuck with them. They say, oh, the aliens, like, no, the aliens, we are the aliens on this planet. They put us here for some reason. Why do you think we are blacks, yellow skin, brown, all kinds of color? Because we're mixed with other races from other places. You don't get a blonde, blue-eyed dude from a black dude. That's impossible. Nah. Oh, the snow, no bullshit. The snow ain't gonna change nobody. As long as there's black living on snowy places, they haven't turned blonde hair, blue eyes. Man. That ain't no happening. That's a myth. Really a bullshit made up to justify that. Different color, slanted eyes and shit. Nah. Those are different human mixed with different alien races from somewhere else. Look at that shit, wow. Wow.